Hi YouTube, it's back to the real me. I have a little something different. For starters, I'm doing really well with my weight loss. I went off track by like 2 pounds. I gained like 2 pounds, but I'm back in the 168. So I'm not gonna upload a video until I probably get like mid 160s or beginning 160s. So that's going good, but I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you guys that I was teaching myself how to play guitar. Well, that was 3 months ago, and I think I feel a little maybe confident to show you guys what I've learned and see what you think. I haven't played for anybody yet, so you guys should feel pretty special. So be easy, because I am a beginner and I'm probably gonna screw up, and I am not re-recording like 10,000 times, so just bear with me. It's called No Rain by Blind Melon, and I really enjoy singing it because it's the easiest song that I've learned so far. It's only like A, E, D, and G. So it's a pretty simple song. If anybody's also a beginner guitarist out there, this is the easiest song. Look it up for chords, and I use Ultimate Guitar for chords, but I can't do tabs. But anyways, enough of that. Let me know what you guys think, and be easy because I'm a beginner. Okay, here we go. It's not safe. Just want someone to say to me, oh, I'll always be there when you no, I like to keep my cheeks from dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it. Don't understand why I sleep all day, and I start to complain that there's no rain. And all I can do is read a book to stay awake. It rips my life away, but it's a great escape. Just want someone to say to me, oh, I'll always be there with you. No, I have to keep my cheeks from dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it made. All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. Yeah, I'll speak my point of view, but you know it's not sane. It's not